Okay, my name is John Kong from NetFortris. NetFortris provides a unified communication tool for business. Today I will just show how the Couchbase helps us to improve our performance and scalability. Our product is called the heads-up display. Basically, a business can use it to make a phone call, have a conference, call center, all of those things. Let me show you actually what it looks like. So this is real how the, well, it's an interface, one interface to our system. We have quite a different interface. The point I want to show you here is we generate tons of the user data whenever user uses our system. Like a user can make well, basically a lot of chat will show up. Whenever make a phone call, the call message, all stuff, basically. So, which generate tons of the user data. So, what's the problem? Problem we faced was we have to store those data. We have to retrieve those data, quite a complicated query. We also have a lot of data which is shared by everybody in one customer. Or customers might mean a company. So each company have 1,000 users, 1,000 employees. Some of the data were shared by everybody by the user. These are what typical architect before. This is a typical enterprise architect, which have the controller, service. Now we use a relational database to store all the data. So then we have a problem. We have very bad user experience. So response is very slow. As our user grow, user generated is so big, cannot handle in one single instance of relational database. Even with a vertical scale won't help. We have weekly production issue. So I basically have spent more than 50% of my time to solve the production issue. So also, when the customer, for the bigger customer, which has tons of employees, that will be an issue too. So how to solve it is very simple. So it's the same architecture, only different. We add the Couchbase in here. Only change is that here, that layer, a DAO layer. So we push some of the data into the Couchbase. Since we have now two types of I would say we have to support both production and the new project. For the production, we only put user-generated data in the Couchbase, use Java SDK. So by this way, we automatically got the data partition, high availability, and we got free cache. So that's improved. We create two buckets, one for chat, one for call. And we use View because we started back in 2013 for this change. At that time, there's no Nico. So we use View. This is how our data looks like in the Couchbase. And this is our view map function. How you make this function basically query all the call for a user after a certain time. So this is then for our new generation, we put all the user-generated code and also system configuration data as much as we can into Couchbase. For some of data, we'll still, because limitation, we still have you put in the relational database. That's it, but that one is keep to minimum. We use Go SDK for this one. The reason for this is we did a Go test benchmark against Java. It's super it's 100% faster. When in all same amount of user we did a test, we have to have 6 servers running on to serve the same amount of user. Now with the Go, we only need 2 nodes for same amount workload. So we use create the LeetCode index, and this is how to run query. Yeah, but this is example how to run the Go. Use the Go to create the index and run query. We also use it for the cache. For some of the data stored in relational database, we use it to do cache, so to help. Since I just mentioned we have lots of shared data among the user, so that's cache help a lot. So this is how we got fast response. So response time is less than 1 second. Used for sometimes it's forever pending over there. Now user generator is under control. We don't have that many production issues, so we can focus more time on new project. Thank you.